Hello everyone, welcome to Leonore's Sweet Creations. Today I'm giving you a French recipe for Petit Beurre. They are buttered biscuits, very delicious, easy to make. They are crunchy and they melt in the mouth. You will love it. For these super crunchy and buttery cookies, you will need 200 grams flour, 135 grams butter, 65 grams powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm also using a rectangular cutter similar to those typical Petit Beurre or butter cookies and a needle tool to poke the holes on the cookies. First mix the butter, which has to be very soft, with the powdered sugar until you get a very creamy mixture. Then add the vanilla and the flour and mix it or knead it until you get a ball. Wrap the dough in cling film and store it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Now roll out your dough and cut your cookies out. Now put your cookies on a baking tray covered with baking paper and poke some dots with your needle tool so they look like true Petit Beurre cookies. Now you just have to take them to the oven under 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or until their edges get a little bit light brown. Let's try our cookies now. Did you see? Super crunchy. I hope you enjoyed it and that you subscribe my channel if you haven't done so. Recommend me to your friends and family, and I'm also in Instagram and Facebook. Let me know if there's any recipe you would like me to make and you would like to learn from me, and I see you next week. Bye bye.